How do I set a realistic budget for my remodeling project?
Homeowners want to avoid the nightmare scenario where they start their Salt Lake City area remodeling project, only to find out the costs far exceed their initial budget. Let's answer the question, can I complete my remodeling project in the budget I have available? Use these 5 steps to avoid going over budget. Step 1. Define the scope of work. List rooms, square footage, and layout changes. Moving walls or adding new space increases costs compared to a light refresh. 2. Note system moves. Relocating plumbing or electrical, adding HVAC runs, or upgrading insulation and ventilation adds cost. Keep existing locations when possible. 3. Before you shop, decide the quality you want for each visible item. Cabinets, counters, tile, flooring, fixtures, appliances. Put each into good, better, or best so the look you want matches the price you expect. 4. Account for site and approvals. Access, stairs, hillside, or basement work, and permits affect labor and timeline. ADUs need a kitchen and bath plus code compliance, which raises the total. 5. Rely on a thorough pre-construction process. Instead of padding your budget with unknowns, work with a builder who takes time up front to uncover every detail. For an accurate estimate, you can also use our pricing tool by visiting our website, ironwoodcustombuilders.com, to learn more about us and schedule a call.